Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to introduce the topic of this presentation, gamification of advertisement. We'll explore how brands use game-like elements to make ads more engaging and fun. And this process is called gamification of advertisement, which turns the viewers from passive watchers into active participants, and it strengthens their connection to the brand. So we will start with introduction. What is gamification? Gamification in advertisement means adding game-like features to ads. Instead of simply watching the ad, people can earn points, win rewards, or compete in fun challenges. This makes ads feel more like games, encouraging people to join in and interact with the brand. Why is gamification important? It is a changing traditional ads by making them more engaging and more memorable. Instead of just watching the ad, people can play along and connect with the brands in a really fun way. This builds stronger relationship with the brands and makes the ads more enjoyable. Next, we will take a look at the outline of how this presentation is going to go. We're going to start by understanding what is gamification. Then we will go through types of gamified advertisements. We will apply the course theory. We will look into a case study. And then in the end, we will know what are the benefits of gamification. And we're going to finish it off with a learning activity. So let's all start with how does gamification works. Gamification in advertisement means making ads more interactive by adding game-like features. Instead of just watching an ad, people can earn points, win rewards, or compete in really fun challenges. It encourages people to interact with brands and have fun. So how does it work? Actually, it works by when gamified ads use game mechanics, features that make the games more enjoyable. The features such as points, challenges, and rewards. Points is people can earn points for actions like watching a video, sharing the ad, or exploring the product. For example, Starbucks loyalty program. It lets customers earn stars for each purchase, which can later be redeemed for free drinks or snacks. The second one is challenges. Brands create fun tasks or mini games for people to complete to win something. For example, Nike Run Club app. It sets running challenges that rewards the users with badges and rankings. It encourages them to exercise while interacting with the brand. Further, next one is rewards. People receive a reward like a discount or a prize for engaging in the ad. For example, Monopoly, McDonald's campaign, it lets people collect game pieces with each purchase, offering prizes like free food or even cash, creating excitement and repeat visits. People will go to the store, they will have a purchase, they will collect a coupon or the game piece, and then they will win prizes like a free coffee or a free hamburger, or they sometimes even win cash, which will create excitement and people will come back to the McDonald's again and again. So why is this important? What is the benefit of gamification? It makes the ads more fun and more memorable. When people actively participate in this ad, they feel more connected with the brand. It's no longer about just watching an ad, but it's about interacting and having a small experience, which help people remember the brand and feel more positive about it. By making the ads interactive, brands turn the viewers into active players who are more engaged and more likely to share their experience with others. So there are different types of ads, different types of ways the ads can use gamification. Some of them are interactive videos, reward-based apps, social media challenges, AR, and in-store gamification. We will look into all of these points in detail in the upcoming slides. First of all, types of ads using gamification. The first one is interactive videos, the videos you can interact with. So these ads let viewers make choices that affect the story or outcome. keeping them engaged and making them feel like part of the experience. So for example, this ad I have added here is the Coca-Cola. They created a drinkable billboard which let people experience Coke Zero. The billboard dispensed free Coke which people could renew at any restore. So at any retail store they could renew this drinkable Coca-Cola ad. This was very interactive and there's video attached to it. We'll get to this video later in upcoming slides. So after interactive videos, the next one is reward-based promotions. So ads that offer rewards like discounts or gifts in exchange for participation. This encourages customers to engage actively with the brand, something similar to the McDonald's campaign. So I'm gonna use the example of Taco Bell. Taco Bell has run campaigns where customers can scratch off a virtual ticket for prizes when they purchase specific menu items, which makes the experience really exciting, so that when they scratch it, they will win a mystery gift. So it makes this something reward-based promotion, so they will interact with it and they will win a reward, which will cause more interactions. So another type of way you can gamify an advertisement is social media challenges. Social media, everyone has access to it. Everyone can take a look at any social media videos. So social media challenges is also a way of making people interact. So fun challenges that brand promote on social media platforms. It invites user to participate and create content related to the brand. For example, I'm gonna use the hashtag share a Coke campaign. This was a Coca-Cola advertisement. It encourages people to find bottles with names on them. People would share photos on social media. It created a personal connection because who doesn't want to see their name on a Coca-Cola bottle? It encourages sharing among friends. If someone sees their friend's name on the bottle, they will send a picture to the friend. So this social media challenge actually created a huge interaction among the viewers. It actually caused people to engage in this game-like feature of this advertisement made by Coca-Cola, which was a really smart play. Next is AR, or augmented reality advertisements. AR is something like Snapchat, where you can add filters or something extra on top of the real world. AR ads blend digital elements with the real world, letting users interact through their smartphones, creating an immersive experience. For example, in this AR ad, it's an IKEA AR app. This app allows customers to visualize how furniture would look like in their homes. You can just point the camera at a random location and pick the furniture if you want a sofa or a bed, and this app will show you how it will look like in your room itself. It's also a game-like feature which encourages viewers to interact with the advertisement. Lastly, one more type is in-store gamification, when you visit the store and you get to play or interact. Physical ads in stores that include games or challenges to encourage customers as they shop. For example, Lego stores often hold building challenges where customers can create their own designs and win prizes, turning shopping into a really fun experience. So next we will apply some in-class theory to this presentation. Persuasion and aesthetics in gamification. Gamified ads use persuasive designs and eye-catching visuals to attract and engage users. This approach draws on the theory of persuasion and aesthetics, which focuses on how appealing visuals and emotional connection can influence a behavior. Persuasion is the act of convincing someone to believe or do something. In advertisement, it means using different tricks to influence people, what people think, or what they feel about the products. So let's start with what is persuasion. It's when you convince someone, you tell them you make them believe what you actually believe yourself about a product. Advertisers often try to make people feel good by showing them happy or funny scenes. They may use facts to explain why this product is useful. Sometimes they show that many others like this product, which encourages more people to like it. They might say things like it's a time-limited offer to persuade the buyer to make people buy quickly. Persuasion in ads is about encouraging people to choose and buy the product. There are different types of persuasive techniques that are used. Gamified ads often use rewards, points, or timers. These elements encourage people to interact quickly and keep coming back to play again. It makes them feel like they're winning something special. For example, Starbucks rewards program, again, which gives customers stars after each purchase. These stars can be traded for free drinks or food, which will let them come back again and again, and it also builds a brand loyalty. Next is aesthetics. Aesthetics refers to a beauty or visual or appeal of something. In advertisement, aesthetics are more important because they affect how the ad looks and how it feels to the viewer. It has to be aesthetic, it has to be beautiful. This includes colors, designs, images, and the layout. Good aesthetics made the ad eye-catching and attractive, drawing people in and making them want to engage. For example, Old Spice campaign are known for being funny and colorful. They use bright colors, silly animations that catch people's attention. In the man your man could smell like ad, fast and funny scenes showed the product in a playful way, making the brand more memorable. How aesthetics enhance engagement in interaction. The design and color. The bright colors make the ads stand out, while animations might make them more interesting. Animations and interactivity. Fun animations make people good when they interact with the ad, which keeps them engaged. And lastly, gamified visuals in action. A well-designed gamified ad can make people want to play it again, helping them remember the brand. Next, we will move to a case study about McDonald's Monopoly. McDonald's Monopoly is a popular game that happens every year in many countries. When customers buy certain McDonald's items, they receive game pieces that look like Monopoly boards. They collect these pieces, which can lead to prizes or free food or cash gift cards or even vacations. This game is based on the famous Monopoly board game, which makes it easy for people to play this. So, how this game encourages people to repeat purchases and customer loyalty? People repeat purchases, they want more game pieces, which increase their chance of winning, so they're more likely to come back and buy McDonald's food again and again. Collectible fun. Each game piece is a part of a set, so customers are encouraged to collect pieces and compete for bigger prizes. This makes it exciting as they hope to find rare piece that will help them win. Building loyalty. This game makes McDonald's feel fun and rewarding because it's exciting and it gives people the chance to win prizes. Customers are more likely to keep choosing McDonald's over other fast food places. Here I have added a case study and credit to a blog or an article. They mentioned how McDonald's Monopoly gamification works. They make use of a number of different gamification mechanisms to create fun and exciting experiences for the McDonald's customers. Let's move on to the next part. It's called the benefits of gamification. How does it help? As we can see with the statistics, it causes higher engagement, it increased retention, and boosts sales and loyalty. Looking at the statistics, studies show that gamified content can increase the engagement up to 48%, and gamified ads can boost the customer retentions by 30%. They will keep coming back and back for more because they're really interested in the ad and they find it really fun and enjoyable. It boosts the sales and loyalty. These strategies can increase the brand loyalty by 22% and sales up to 15%, which is really big numbers. So this actually is really effective way of advertising. So lastly, let's move on to a learning activity. In this activity, we will divide this into 3 parts. First is watch the Coca-Cola ad. We will look at an ad. Second, analyze the ad properly. Third, answer some questions. So this is the ad that we are going to analyze, the Coca-Cola ad that we mentioned earlier in the project presentation. The questions that we are going to answer is, what game elements do you notice in this ad? How does this interactive experience engage the audience and encourage them to connect with the brand? Third question is, what emotions does this ad evoke? And fourth is, what persuasive elements and what aesthetic elements can be observed? So let's look the video and we will try to answer these questions and do this learning activity.
To get more people to try Coke Zero, we created an entire campaign that they could literally drink, including an interactive poster that turned phones into digital straws. We partnered with Shazam, an app that over 600 million people already have on their phones, and turned audio recognition into a unique 2-screen experience. By adding a subsonic sound that triggers a video in their database, we put a straw in everyone's hands. Every interaction resulted in a code for a free Coke Zero that could be redeemed at special vending machines. The result? In a single weekend, the poster delivered over 4,000 Coke Zeros. So next time you're thirsty, drink a poster.
So let's get back to the questions. What game elements do you notice in this billboard ad? So the first element we notice is interaction. This ad invites passerbys to interact with it by using the tab to get the drink. This experience turns a passive viewer into an active participant. Another game element that we observe is reward. The free Coca-Cola served as an immediate reward for engaging with the advertisement. And last is a challenge. While not a traditional challenge, the novelty of a drinking billboard can create a sense of curiosity and urgency, motivating people to engage quickly before the opportunity passes by. The second question is, how does this interactive experience engage the audience and encourage them to connect with the Coca-Cola brand? The answer to this could be that the audience engagement, the interactive experience gets people to approach the billboard, make it a memorable moment, and when they enjoy a free drink, they feel good and remember Coca-Cola positively. This fun experience encourages them to connect with the brand and may lead for them to share it on social media, which will help Coca-Cola to reach even more people. The third question is, what emotions does this ad evoke and why do you think they are? The emotions evoked are, the ad evoked feeling of happiness, surprise, nostalgia. The joy of receiving a free drink on a hot day creates a positive emotional response. Coca-Cola enhances the moment of happiness. So this ad aligns with the emotional bonding. By creating fun and refreshing experience, Coca-Cola strengthens its image as a brand associated with joy and enjoyment, because Coca-Cola is a brand that's known for joy and sharing, spreading happiness, joy and enjoyment. Lastly, the last question is, what persuasive elements and what aesthetic elements are seen in this ad? The persuasive elements such as social proof, the visibility of others enjoying the drink can persuade more people to join in and try it for themselves. Seeing a crowd around the billboard can create a sense of FOMO, a fear of missing out, because many people will look at it and they would also want to try it. Other persuasive element can be emotional appeal. The ad uses happiness and nostalgia, tapping into the idea of shared moment with friends and family, making consumers feel good about choosing Coca-Cola. Some of the aesthetic elements that are seen in this ad are visual design. The bright red color of Coca-Cola brand is eye-catching and instantly recognizable. The design of the billboard itself likely features playful and inviting visuals that draw attentions. So this aesthetic element is really good. And another one is the interactive element. The physical design of having a tab that creates a unique, engaging aesthetic, differentiating it from a traditional static advertisement. The use of this playful concept, drinking from a billboard, adds to its appeal and its memorability. So this is what makes this ad actually a really smart advertisement campaign. So that's it for my mini lecture. Let's take a quick recap of what we learned today. In summary, the gamification in ad includes game-like elements that makes the ads more engaging. It encourages loyalty and excitement. We looked into at how different brands use gamified ads. There were multiple different types of gamified ads. And we looked into persuasions, aesthetics. We also reviewed a McDonald's Monopoly game. And also in the end, we did a learning activity. That's all for today from me. Thank you for listening. And I hope this presentation has shown you how gamification can make ads more engaging, more memorable, and more impactful. Thank you very much.